2004, the Felony Drug Diversion Initiative has served close to 340 city residents, many of whom are from the Oliver community where the Dawson family tragedy occurred. Baltimore faces many public health challenges, and substance abuse is chief among them. And that's why it was important for me as the city's health commissioner to be here in support of this initiative, because we know that tackling the city's issues of substance abuse takes a multi-system approach, and it's very important within public health that we support and work closely on these initiatives. And so we estimate that 63,000 people in Baltimore City have an alcohol and or drug problem that necessitates treatment. In my view, the Felony Drug Diversion Initiative demonstrates a comprehensive public health approach that can be used to break the cycle of addiction and really improve people's lives and communities' lives. As an alternative to incarceration, FDI clients presented with substance use disorders are required to make a long-term commitment of up to 18 months to seek help for a drug and or alcohol addiction. I know that it wasn't easy, and it took all that you had, all that your families had in order to make it through this process. And I'm sure that there were moments of doubt and moments of feeling like, this is really what I want to be doing. Can I make it through? And once again, today and the celebration that we have today is a testament to your perseverance and to your determination. But here you are, after completing this very rigorous process and starting and continuing your recovery process. You found jobs and are working to rebuild connections with your families and with your communities. This is a significant accomplishment that you should be very proud of. Many others are eager to follow the example that you have set. In 2010, FDI staff received enrollment requests from 403 clients. You don't always get a second chance in life, and that's why it's truly inspiring to see and hear stories about people who, when given a second chance, seize the opportunity to change the course of their lives. And I want to take the opportunity just to highlight one particular individual, FDI graduate Anthony Brown. Anthony, are you here? Anthony exemplifies one of the many stories that have come through FDI. I understand that Anthony, who is a resident from the Oliver community where FDI was born, is making final preparations to move to Tennessee to pursue new employment opportunities, and we wish him well. With that, I would like to congratulate once again this year's graduating class. Your achievements inspire us and reaffirm our belief that together we can build a better, healthier Baltimore. Congratulations.
Mr. Ward and Judge Allen, I want to thank them so much because I got 2 sanctions, and they didn't have to sanction me. They didn't have to do that. They could have. I had 16 years on the top of my head. I've been getting high since I was 15, 16 years old, and I did 23 years of prison time, and I'm 40 years old. So it's like that don't add up, you know. But they seen something in me. They seen something in me that made me like take that 360 that turn. So God, you know, he interrupted me when that happened. That second sanction. I said I went over that jail and came home and met my fiance. When I met my fiance, it's like God gave me my first child, and I was so happy to have that child that He installed that in me like that. So He said, "Mom, you can't do it by yourself. You can't stop getting high by yourself." They seen something in me that I'm a good person and a good heart, but them drugs making you go another way, you know. And that 16 years I kept saying it on the top of my head, and I said, no, I can't do this no more. So this time I've been on this since 06, and I've been going on and off. So this time, my last time, I've been on the honor roll since I came home from that sanction, I got a job, I got a house for my fiance, I got a good job too, a real good one. So I got my wife a house, I got a car. Man, I'm doing so good. God is so good. If you don't put forth that step God talking about, you'll never get it. You know, and a lot of us keep saying, God, why you not doing this? But God be saying, no, you got to do it too. You know what I mean? When you do it, that's when I step in the picture. You know, and that's what I understand today. You know, and I ain't going back. I ain't never going back. My fiance said, you know, never say never, babe. I ain't never getting high.